Suppose I want to make a GIF animation of a molecule, in this case a water molecule that I've drawn, and I want to show that it's not just sitting there, but it is moving. So I'm going to record a video on my iPad. So I'm going to pull down from the upper corner, start the video recorder. Once it starts running, then I'm going to take my molecule and I'm just going to manually oscillate it back and forth a few times and then stop that recording. Now I'm going to take that video clip and I need to edit it. So I choose to use iMovie. You can use whatever you like. I'm going to start a new movie. I'm going to open up my clip, create movie. And I've got the whole strip that I just recorded there, but I want to narrow it down to where it starts oscillating. So right about there. So I'm going to drag the start bar over to where it starts oscillating. And now I'm going to drag the end bar over to get a decent section of oscillation right to about there. Now it starts and it ends at about the same location. So I'm going to finish that. Now I want to save that video. So it's exporting the video now. So I'm going to come out and I'm going to go to the easygif.com converter. Now I want to make it into a GIF. So I'm going to select the file. I'm going to use that file, upload the video, and we can make sure it's the right clip. Now I'm going to convert it to a GIF. So it converts it below here. Now I only want the molecule in there, so the first thing I want to do is I want to crop. So I'm going to click crop. And now I'm going to narrow down just to the part of the frame where I have the motion occurring. So now I have it cropped into the section with the motion. So I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to crop the image. So now it's only that size. Now I want to optimize it. This reduces the size of the file. I tend to go all the way up to about 200. And I want to optimize it. Doesn't change really how it appears. Now I've done all the processing I want on this. I'm going to save the file. Now I have my animation ready to put into whatever document I want. So I'm going to put this in split view. And I'm going to pull up the document I have ready for it. I'm going to click and hold on the animation. I'm going to drag it over to where I want it, and I'm going to drop it. It's at that location in my document. I can take it, I can resize it, I can rotate it if I want to rotate it, I can do whatever to it, but it's there in my document. I can put this into a slide presentation, into whatever else. That's one way to make a GIF on an iPad.